Hello, YouTube family. I'm feeling so good because I literally have no makeup on. And yes, my skin is not at 100 yet. It's at a strong 60 because my skin was not looking this good like this time last month. I've like completely changed my regimen and I actually feel comfortable coming on here without makeup on, and I'm just feeling myself. I really wanted to get dolled up for this video, not gonna lie. Like, I enjoy getting dolled up, making videos. To me, it's exciting. But today's like an off day where I'm actually giving my skin a break. But I also wanted to put this video out here because I've been dying to open up this FabFitFun box, which I'm about to just get into right now. So we're doing both, you know? We're not gonna sacrifice our skin goals, but we're also gonna put out some content. And we're also gonna open up this box that has been sitting on my floor for about a week. And I've been trying to like resist opening it because I'm like, I really should record this. Let's get into it. Here is the bad boy. This is the FabFitFun box that we'll be opening today. Is it the spring box or the summer box? Not sure. I guess we will find out when we open it up. If you guys have not watched was my Cocoa Teak video or my Globin video? One of them, I just talked about how like I've had these subscriptions since Valentine's Day of last year. It's like my Valentine's Day gift from my little boo thing. Like, he got me a subscription to like FabFitFun, Cocoa Teak, Globin, Snack Nation, and Emma and Chloe. So I've been getting these since then. And FabFitFun is probably one of my favorites. So the box is now open. First thing we have here is some stickers. We have a $15 off your first FabFitFun box. Know someone who would love, hey, any of you would love one? I'll give you this. Let me know in the comments below. We have this is the summer box. So this is like a little magazine thing that comes with every box. We have this decorative, let me just show you guys the inside of the box. We have like this decorative paper. It's giving faux bougie. First thing in here, hydration multiplier. So it's an electrolyte mix, so you can put it in your water to add more hydration to your water. Let me try that out. Drink a lot of water. If I'm drinking water, I want it to taste like water, so I don't want to add all this stuff to it, but we'll try that out. Fruit butter lip mask. This is the next thing. We have a HelloFresh thingy-majig. I feel like every single box comes with a HelloFresh thingy. We finally tried HelloFresh. We like it. I like almost everything apart, like the pasta like made me nauseous, but everything else was amazing, like super yummy. But I think it made me nauseous because I actually think I'm probably allergic to one of the ingredients in there, so definitely wasn't HelloFresh. Probably was me not reading instructions and ingredients and all that. Like I next item. So a pineapple shaped ice mold. I'm gonna put in a picture here of like a photo of me with a pineapple shirt on. I am obsessed with pineapples as a fruit. Like, if I was a fruit, I would want to be a pineapple just because I feel like my personality is a pineapple. Does that make sense? Like, I feel like my personality is a pineapple and I would want to be a pineapple. So I'm gonna use this. Maybe you could make a little, you freeze little juices in here, water, whatever you want to do. I don't see the benefit of having water like based ice cubes like they're shaped pineapples, but I could understand like having a cute little juice thingy majig going on. A ring light, babe. It has a ring light. It has a phone ring light. I thought my selfies were good before. My selfies are about to be on 200.
What's good, baby?
It comes with like a phone ring light.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you knew that?
No.
Oh. We back. My screen time. I need to fix my screen time settings because I'm trying to like limit my screen time usage, but like there's no reason the camera app is timing me out, you know? This is a picnic blanket, and it's crazy because we just bought 2 picnic blankets. I don't know where the receipt is, and I want to go return it because look at this. It's so cute. Like I have a dress. Oh, should I show y'all? Like, do you guys care about that? I'm gonna show y'all anyway. I have an outfit that matches this that I got from Torrid. The outfit matches the picnic blanket. Do you see that? It's crazy.
Yo.
The outfit matches the picnic blanket.
Oh, it came in a picnic blanket?
No, this is the outfit we bought from Torrid.
Yeah, I'm saying this came with a picnic blanket.
So I need to do a photo shoot with this outfit and this picnic blanket. So the next item we have in here is the, how would you pronounce this?
Oh, nah. Let me see the first letter.
Okay.
Didn't you get something from here before? Malin Goats?
So this is the Malin Goats Vitamin E Face Moisturizer. Okay, so I feel like this happens to me a lot with these subscription boxes that they send me 2 of the same products. So I don't know if this is like on purpose or not, but this is 2 exact same bottles of the same product. It's the Vitamin E Face Moisturizer. I might incorporate it into my skincare routine because like I told you guys, I'm trying to get this face looking, you know. All right, next item. Setting mist. Okay, watermelon burst setting mist. Okay, so on my face right now when I do my makeup, I use 2 setting sprays. I use the Urban Decay Up All Night, and I use the Hangover RX by Urban Decay setting spray / primer. It's been working well. I could throw a 3rd one in the mix, or I can alternate. I just like that I have something to try out. Oh my gosh! Next item, a citrus squeezer. So I don't know if this is not the intended use, right? But when I'm cleaning chicken, I use actual lemons. So using this will help me get all of the juice out of it. Also, when I'm making tea, I put lemon in there. So this is like a citrus squeezer. These are like the utensils that like you need sometimes and you always like alternate. Like when I'm trying to get the juice out of a lemon, I use a spoon. I know it's a little tacky, but now I have an actual citrus squeezer. So
huh?
Obviously it can be heard on the camera that you just called me broke. All right. Okay, super excited for this citrus squeezer. And I think this is the last item in the box. What is this? More pajamas. If I was an item of clothing, I would be a pajama dress. And this pajama dress is so cute. Like, I wish you guys could see the like, can y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see that, but I wish I was a pajama dress sometimes, because like, you know, pajama dresses, they don't pay rent. All they have to worry about is like being washed, dried, and folded properly.
That sounds terrifying. You're gonna drown and then burn. Like, I don't understand. Not to mention you're dealing with human sweat most of your day.
So yeah, like being a pajama dress would just be awesome, and I'm so excited to try this on. I don't know like how this, like, did you have to pick the size for me or did it automatically?
When you first create the box, they ask you a bunch of preferences and size and things like that, that you can change whenever you want. So they ask, like, for example, would you prefer like pierced earrings or clip-on earrings, like stuff like that.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, I'm gonna do all those.
But yeah, that's the entire summer box. I know it's a super quick video, but just wanted to show you guys what was in there. I think this may be one of my last FabFitFun subscriptions. I am probably gonna go on my own to renew this one, or just, you know, ask my boyfriend to renew it for me.
I just renewed this like 3 months ago.
Oh.
So you have one until next winter.
Saving my coins. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time.